Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Sheikh Faizan and today's date is 19 February 2024 and today's my technical topic is iterative statement in Java programming language. First of all, what are the iterative statement? Iterative statements are the looping statement which is used to control the flow of the program and execute the code or statement of the program multiple times as per our condition. So uh, in Java, basically there are three types of iterative statement. First is that is for loop, second is while loop, and third one is the do while loop. I will discuss one by one. First of all, for loop. For loop also is classified into uh, two types, simple for loop and the for each loop, that is enhanced for loop. First is simple for loop. The simple for loop use when the number of iteration is fixed, we can use the for simple for loop. uh, is the syntax is the first is we initialize the variable or a value for the giving the condition, and next is that the condition for the specific time of duration the loop is iterate, and next is the uh, increment or decrement for the variable that initialize first, and in the curly braces we can write the particular code or statement for the iteration. It is the syntax of the simple for loop, and it is used for the performing the fixed number of iteration. Next type of the for loop, that is for each loop, that is also called as for enhanced loop. When the we don't know about the iteration, then we can use the for loop, and for each loop, basically for each loop apply on the collection, that is array list, and set classes. The for each loop syntax is that the in bracket we can declare the data types of the particular collection or the element, and then we use colon, and that's the collection name, and in curly braces we can perform the operation on it. It is the syntax of the for loop, for each loop. Next type of the loop is the while loop. While loop basically used for the performing the uh, unknown number of iteration when we not known by the for the iteration particular condition, then we can give the particular condition, and we can perform the number of iteration for the until the condition is false. Basically the syntax for the while loop is when we use the while keywords, that is the Java keyword, and in in bracket, round bracket, we can give the condition for the specific number of iteration, and in curly braces we can write the particular statements for the iterating multiple times. It is the syntax for the while loop. And next is the do while loop. Do while loop is the same as the while loop, but in do while loop, the uh, if the condition until the false, then one time the loop is iterate. It is the difference between while loop and do while loop. Do while loop we can use when the we we need for the iterate the loop for the one time until the condition is false. So there are the basically three types of uh, iterative statement in Java, using for the iterate the particular block of the code for the multiple times, and we can perform the we can uh, increase the readability of the code and the performance times and the memory management. So it is the overall about the iterative statement in Java programming language. Thank you.